seeing things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Man, time's flying so fast. Already in October, before we know we're in November, December. It's a wrap.
Here we go.
By the way, Nico, shout out to you, man. I'm trying out the mic. Let me know if the sound is better. Andres, I love you, man. Man, I want to talk about time today because it's flying by so quick, and you can't be waiting. So I want to talk about time today. So let's get it. Alright, so look, so the other day I was having a conversation with one of my boys, and he was talking to me about how this new series that came out, I think it's called What If. So he was talking about like, hey, you know, this new series came out, have you seen it? And I was like, nah, man, I don't I don't watch, you know, Netflix, or I don't spend my time like that. And then, you know, we got into this back and forth talking about, you know, like, yeah, you got time, you know, and then he wanted to kind of like break down my 24 hours, and we went through it, and at the end, you know, it was like, man, stop making excuses, man, you got time to be able to watch that. I was like, man, listen, I ain't got time for that. But the bottom line is, or the moral of that story is that, as it relates to time, is that we all got 24 hours in a day, right? And you are going to prioritize and give time to the things that you're passionate about, the things that you want to do. And throughout the day, there are going to be things that, you know, maybe are not, you know, so intriguing to you that you're not going to pay attention to. But the things that, you know, you like doing and you are looking forward to, you're always going to give priority, and you're going to give time to them. So in this particular case, you know, I'm not big into watching like Netflix movies and whatever Hulu stuff and things like that. I'm not big on that, but he was, and he's always going to give time to that. But I'm always going to give time to things like this, to what I'm doing with these videos, because this is what I'm looking for. This is what I want to do. So one thing that I've been able to learn over time is that you're always going to give time and allocate time to the things that are important to you.
Why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
You may prioritize sleep. You may prioritize eating. You may prioritize going to the gym and working out. You may prioritize your work and what you're doing. So throughout the day, you're gonna prioritize the things that you feel, or that you're passionate about, like you like. You're gonna prioritize those things. But how you manage your time and allocate your time throughout your day is gonna make the difference between you reaching a certain level or not, right? Because if you're spending a whole bunch of time sleeping, that means that you're saying no to a whole bunch of things that you could potentially be doing that can get you to potentially where you want to be. So right now, I'm gonna prioritize my health. I'm gonna go work out real quick, get my workout in for today, and we'll keep it moving. Let's get it.
All my hope was fading away.
All right, guys, so workout complete for today. I'm done with that. I'm feeling good. But the point that I'm trying to make here today with this video is that we all have the same amount of time. We all have 24 hours in a day, and how we decide to allocate that time is going to make the difference between us achieving the goals that we have or the dreams that we have. So if you're not spending your time wisely, you can end up not achieving anything, and you're always going to be just adrift. So you got to have purpose. You got to have purpose with your time. So make sure that you audit your time. Make sure that you're allocating your time, your energy, your resources to the things that are going to be in alignment with what you're trying to achieve in this life, because man, time goes by so quick. You know, we were talking about the other day how, you know, we were back in January, we were talking about pandemic and where we're going and all this other stuff, and now we're in October, and in less than 2 months, pretty much, we're going to be back in December, and it's a wrap, and it's a brand new year, right? So what were some of those things that back in January you were thinking about doing this year, but you didn't allocate the right time for it, right? When are you going to do it? So order your time, you know, start early, order your time, and make sure that, again, you're allocating your time, your energy, your resources so that it can be in alignment with the things that you're trying to achieve. For me, I'm spending a lot of time creating content here because I want to be able to impact and influence on a greater scale. And hopefully I get to do that, but I got to take the baby steps, right? I got to be disciplined about this and what I'm doing. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate you guys so much. So I'm going to leave it here. But if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Man, 2022, I can't believe it. I remember 2015, man. I was thinking like, man, we're not going to make it to 2020, and it's 2022. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next.
Let's get mad. I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.